Greetings! Welcome to Skeletor Plays! Today, I'm going to play this game I found on a website. It's willyoupressthebutton.com. They give me a question. Has both a good side and a bad side. And I will ask whether or not I will press that button, or I will not. Let's see. You have the power to grant any wishes you choose, including your own forever. But granting any wish results in the immediate death of one person within 2 miles of you every time. Yes, I will press this button. Without a doubt, I will press this button. I don't care. I will kill people. Sometimes it's the wish I wanted anyway. Rate this dilemma to see the next one, good or bad. It's a bad dilemma. I will say it's a bad dilemma because I'm evil. You own every book in the world, but you cannot read. But no one else will be reading either, because I own every book in the world. Yes, I will do that. I'll keep that away from everyone. It's a bad dilemma. Because I'm evil. Pressing this button is forbidden, but nothing will happen and no one will know if you do press it. Why would I want to press it? No one will know that I pressed it. So what if it's forbidden? I'm not doing evil for myself here. I'll not press the button. It's a bad dilemma. Stupid. You will be able to stop time for 30 minutes and do whatever you want. But anything you take while time is stopped becomes unusable and worthless when time starts again. What if I take people? Ooh, what if I take He-Man? What if I just take other stuff to break it and make it useless? I'm pressing this button. Bad dilemma. Make everyone feel bad about themselves. You become a master game programmer, but you cannot make your own games. Only games other people tell you to make. No one tells Skeletor what to do. I just play games, I won't make them. Bad dilemma. Like this game. You will have the ability to make anything you want materialize in front of you. But you will be extremely nauseous and have a horrible headache that lasts all day after you make something appear. Godlike powers of being able to make anything, but I will want to puke and have a headache. I think this might be worth it. It's worth it. You can make Pokemon real, but My Little Pony becomes real as well. Why can't I just put the ponies in the Pokeballs? Then I own the ponies, and I can make them do humiliating evil things. It'll be hilarious. And I'm pretty good at Pokemon. I will press the button. I will never feel lonely ever again. But everyone on Earth will disappear for eternity. I don't live on Earth. What do I care? And I will never feel lonely again. It's totally worth it to not only be never lonely, but also be evil. Goodbye, everyone on Earth. You will not be missed. Achieve all of your dreams and be successful. But your family dies. One of my dreams is to kill my family. King Randor has it coming. And so does that snooty Prince Adam. You will have the answer to every question, but you can't tell anyone the answer. So I will have the answer to every question and will hoard the knowledge to myself. You are the best musician alive, but you have to drive a motor scooter to work every day. What's wrong with a motor scooter? I like motor scooters. Everyone will have to look at Skeletor driving to work on a motor scooter. Admit it, that would look awesome. There we go. There goes Skeletor, the best musician alive. That either means I'm good, or every musician above me dies. Either way. Pick any existing item on Earth, but you have to French kiss your mom. There are several problems with this. My mom is dead, and I don't have a tongue. And why do I care about items on Earth? I'm from Eternia. I'm almost tempted to say it's a good one. Just to mess with people. For one day, anything you do is legal. But so is anything your enemy does. My enemy is one of those goody two-shoes, follow the rules type. I'm actually at an advantage being an outlaw. I will not press this button. Stupid. You get unlimited money, but you are married to the person you hate most, even if they are the same gender as you. So I get unlimited money, but I have to marry He-Man? For how long? He wishes I would marry him. You can get one beautiful girl called Lucy to love you for the rest of your life. But twice a year, one toenail is ripped out of your feet. I worked hard for these black claws. And why does it have to be Lucy? It's pretty specific. I already have a woman that loves me for the rest of my life. Isn't that right, Evelyn? Oh, you're not paying attention. Go do your thing that you're doing over there. Woman things. You are the ruler of a kingdom, but anything you touch turns to gold. I am already the ruler of a kingdom. But turning anything I touch into gold. That is very tempting. Be like King Midas up in here. That probably includes food, doesn't it? I like eating. I'm already a ruler of a kingdom anyway. You can travel over universes, being then of movies, series, and you will be able to be your version of how you would be in that universe. But just when you sleep, if someone wakes you up in one universe, you of another universe will fall asleep. I don't think this one makes sense. I don't want to agree to something that I don't think makes sense. You get the ability to speak any language you want, but you have dyslexia. When I conquer the world, there will be only one language anyway. Mine. I'd rather not have dyslexia. I will not press this button. It's a stupid button. Take me to the next button. You get to live whatever life you choose, but your actual body is in a coma, and your family must care for you. I kind of shot that in the foot. My family hates me. I'm not pressing that button. I'll live whatever life I choose by conquering everything. You will find your soulmate, but you will have to give up everything you own. I like everything I own, and I already have my soulmate. Isn't that right, Evelyn clipping coupons over there? She's still not paying attention. You look great, by the way. Whatever. You no longer require food or water to survive. But food and water turn into sand in your mouth, and you no longer have taste buds. There's a lot of potential here. I feel like I could do more life by just standing in the ocean and opening my mouth. That's so tempting. I think I will press this button. And then go try that. You can have unlimited orgies with all members chosen by you for the rest of your life. But it is always to the sound of Miley Cyrus's greatest hits. That doesn't sound too bad. I came in like a wrecking ball. Unlimited orgies with anyone I want. And He-Man isn't invited. Your life is full of good fortune. Wealth, job, you love, dream partner. But if you eat anything but dried toast, you always get bad flatulence for a few days, and you can't hide it or pretend it wasn't you. So I get the life I want, including a job I love, lots of wealth, and a dream partner that loves me for no matter what. but I basically become Stinkor. I don't think Stinkor is that successful. But, and this is a very big but, I will be able to torture my enemies with bad gas. Sounds almost fun. Yes, I will do that. You become an intellectual individual, but you have trouble with stuttering. I'm already an intellectual individual. I am a powerful warlock. And I don't have problems with stuttering. You will become the world's most famous singer, but you can only listen to your own music. When I conquer the planet, there will only be my own music, and then everyone will have to listen to it. So yes, I will press this button. Only my music is the good music. And that does it for WillYouPressTheButton.com. That was slightly fun, but I get the feeling it would have been more fun if I had any sort of conscience. If you have any suggestions for games you would like me to play, leave them in the comments below, and I might consider it.